So if you don't know by now, although I am a wavy girl, I do on the odd occasion like to straighten my hair, curl my hair, do other things to my hair. I like to wear it different from time to time, wherever the mood takes me. And a favorite contraption that I've been using lately, this waver, I love this thing. So today I'm just gonna do like a quick kind of demonstration, I guess, although it's not rocket science, but we out here batch filming because I'm gonna start a new job soon and I don't know how much time I'm gonna have to film because I'm also doing my driving test and right now working hard on my theory. So first of all, I am detangling my hair. I washed and styled it wavy yesterday, but I think I used too much product and I'm not really a fan of how it's feeling. So in situations like that, this waver is great to use. Now that my hair is detangled, I am sectioning my hair and we're going to start using the waver. You clamp it down close to your roots, but be careful you do not burn your scalp. And then where the kind of last curve in your hair ends, where the last barrel was, you're going to kind of move it down and then put the top barrel where the bottom one used to be. And I usually hold it in place for about 10 seconds. Today I'm using it at 180 degrees Celsius, but this one does have a setting for 210. I do sometimes use that one, but I'm trying to be a bit more gentle with my hair lately. I recently cut off a load of split ends, so we're gonna try and maintain the health of my hair and not burn it to a crisp like I think I have been doing. I lied, I actually hold it in place for about 5 seconds, not 10. This side didn't turn out great. Now that we're moving on to the second section, a tip that I learned off TikTok so that all your waves don't kind of bunch all together is that now we're going to flip the waver the other way. So I had the handle pointing upwards and now we're going to have it pointing downwards. Also, I'm detangling again each section before I go in with the waver just to make sure everything is nice and detangled. Now you may have seen me use this waver before on my hair if you watched the video where I recently colored my hair. I used it briefly in that video. I use this really often and I really enjoy it, so I felt like it deserved an actual space on my channel and that it deserved a dedicated video. I don't know why today I feel like my left side is waving much better than my right side. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the lighting or if that side is actually turning out worse. I don't know, but oh well. And that's taken me 10 minutes to do up to now. Then what I like to do is just kind of fluff this out a bit, get it looking a bit more lifeful. Get it looking a bit less lifeless, I guess, and a bit more full and voluminous. And then an optional step is you can add some oil to your ends. And that's all there is to it. I love to do this when I'm in a rush, whenever I fancy my hair like this. It reminds me, honestly, of when I braid it and take the braids out. It does look very similar to that. But yeah, this piece is so cute right here. And this side is looking... I did not do this side well. I don't know what happened on that side. I hope you found this little mini tutorial helpful or useful in some way. Here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!